Hey guys, so today we plan to go KFC.
Yep.
And we're gonna get our meal at home because there's coronavirus outside.
We can't sit there.
And we can't sit there.
After Ramadan,
So
we're
it's
going to have the first time.
so after Ramadan we're having first time our meal.
So we'll show you later on.
So we will show you later on when we're outside the KFC.
इधर नवाब है आगे KFC होएगा We'll see you later on.
We will make a more.
So guys, please subscribe to my mum's channel, which is this channel, and we will upload so much videos for you, like slang videos and toys and so much things for you guys. And I did there's a lot of cube, and because they want to order it because there's coronavirus in the KFC, we don't want germs or anything, so that's why there's a long queue. Oh Muhammad, look outside KFC is so busy.
I know, it's so busy. We're not allowed.
Mama, can we go inside and eat?
No, we can't.
It's too busy.
It's too busy and it's gonna take a long time to get our meal. Hey guys, so it took a long while to get our meal, but finally we got our meal, and it smells so good. And we had 2 bottles of free Cokes, so that was so bad. How much is this?
Hi guys, so we are starving and we just got this from KFC and we'll see you in the next vlog. Please like, share, subscribe.